My name is Mr. G, as I was introduced from Mr. Connor with a couple rules. I like to have fun. Do y'all like to have fun? Yes. All right, we're going to talk about the 5 components of fitness, all right? The first one we're going to talk about, I'm going to give you examples of all of them. First one is muscular strength. Example of muscular strength would be if I were to go outside and pick up somebody's car and then set it back down. You have to be strong to do that, right?
I can do it.
Would I be able to do it over and over and over again? No, because after the first time, I'm going home, I'm taking a nap. I might take a nap in the parking lot on the ground. Okay? This year I came up with little symbols for everything. So like if I didn't like to talk, if I didn't talk at all, I would need a symbol for muscular strength. I think my symbol would be this right here, okay? We're gonna move to the next one. We're gonna get some spirit in here, okay? Second one, muscular endurance, muscular endurance. You know that Energizer bunny that you see on TV that just keeps going and going and going? That's similar to muscular endurance. It's your ability to be able to do the same thing over and over and over again. So if I were to do 100 push-ups, is that muscular endurance? Yeah, that's doing the same thing over and over and over again. The way I think of muscular endurance is, you know the marathon people, how they run 26 miles and they run as fast as they can for 2 hours? Dude, that's a long time to run. I get tired just thinking about it, all right? So our symbol for muscular endurance is gonna be just like we do if we were running. So everybody do like this. So, number 3, we're almost halfway done. Flexibility. Is flexibility important?
Yes.
Is flexibility when you go stretching and stuff, like before class and stuff? Is that flexibility?
Yes.
Yeah. I have 5 fingers up. I want everybody to name a sport where flexibility is important. Gymnastics. Basketball. Ooh, football. You was about to. Cheerleading. Soccer. Guess what? Every sport you play, flexibility is important. Similar flexibility. Let me see. What if we did an overhead side stretch like that? Everybody do this one right there. Good, good. Ooh, we got my favorite coming up. Cardiorespiratory endurance. Big long word, about this long. Cardiorespiratory endurance. See, that long. All right. What does it mean? What does cardio mean? Your heart. Yes. What does respiratory mean?
Lungs?
Lungs. And you're breathing. So cardio plus respiratory equals heart and lungs, right? So they do some things like deliver oxygen to your muscles. So in order to use cardiorespiratory endurance, you have to be able to breathe, right? Yeah. So we're going to do a little experiment. We're going to test that theory. Cardiorespiratory endurance, you have to use cardio, which is your heart, right? And you have to use respiratory, which are your lungs, right? So if I don't breathe, is that using respiratory? No. Okay, so we're going to do an experiment. Did I breathe? No. Did I use cardiorespiratory endurance? No. If I don't breathe, I can't use cardiorespiratory endurance because what's the second word in there? Is respiratory, right? That's using your lungs. So if I were to run around the gym 10 times, is that cardiorespiratory endurance?
Yes.
If I do a sprint like I did, is that cardiorespiratory endurance?
No.
Good, good. So the symbol, we need a symbol for cardiorespiratory endurance. So put your hand on your heart like this and go. All right, body composition. We're going to talk about what your body's made of. That's what composition means, what you're made of. We're going to talk about 2 things. What are they? What are we going to talk about? What are the 2 things we're going to talk about we're made of?
Muscles.
Muscle. Fat. There we go. Muscle and fat. See, I guess that all on your own. I didn't have to give you a hint or anything. So we're going to talk about muscle and fat. Which one do you want more of?
Muscle.
Which one do you want less of? We need a symbol for body composition. So let's fill on the muscle and then fill on some fat. So that's our symbol for body composition. If I walked in the room and I did like this, what does that mean?
Cardiorespiratory.
What does this one mean? What does this one mean?
Flexibility.
What does this one mean?
Muscular strength.
There we go.